Beloved Father, Creator of all life, I come before you with a humble heart, seeking your healing touch. You are the great physician, the one who restores broken bodies and renews weary souls. I lift up to you every wound, every pain, every burden that weighs upon me. Pour forth your mercy and let your divine light flow through every part of my being, driving away sickness, weakness, and fear. Lord, heal not only my body, but also my mind and spirit. Replace my anxiety with peace, my sorrow with hope, my weakness with strength. Remind me that I am never alone, for your presence surrounds me always. Guide the hands of those who care for me and bless them with wisdom and compassion. I surrender myself into your loving care, trusting fully in your plans, knowing that your timing is perfect and your love never fails. May your will be done, and may healing bring me closer to you. With gratitude and faith, I claim your promises of renewal. Amen.